CoilPad is the thinnest actuator we sell. It's just 0.1mm thin, flexible and sticks to any smooth surface. Just add a magnet and watch it swing. You can also hack it into a thin buzzer, a micro heater or even a wireless transformer. It can come into a pack of 1 or a pack of 10 and includes a thin 10mm diameter disc magnet. Unlike the coil cell, this does not come with an onboard driver, but you can either power it directly, add a transistor to one of the pads or even an H-bridge to reverse its polarity.